Do you guys know what is excessive attachment? May friend kasi ako na nag-message sa akin. Sabi niya, Miss Myrtle, may idea ka ba about excessive attachment? I think I'm having that. Excessive attachment means you're too attached with someone or overly attached. Overly attached to someone can lead to emotional instability. Kung ano man yung action or availability ng taong gusto mo or mahal mo, it will affect your mood. And it will lead to anxiety and insecurity. Maaapektuhan dun kung paano mo tingnan yung sarili mo. Ito pa, nagkakaroon ka rin ng fear of abandonment. Ito yung constant fear na mawawala yung tao sa'yo. And when you feel constant fear, of course, you need a constant assurance. And worst case scenario, you allow the person to control you or manipulate you para lang magstay siya sa'yo. Paano ba natin i-address yung excessive attachment? Here are the few things that you can do to avoid excessive attachment. First, build your self-esteem. Kasi pag may self-esteem ka, you know your worth. Alam mo yung value mo. Alam mo na dito ka talaga and nobody should bring you down. And second, healthy boundaries. Dapat may limitation ka kung hanggang saan pwedeng gawin ng partner mo at pwede mong gawin para sa partner mo. Alam niyo guys, sometimes things happen to us kasi we allow it to happen. Kaya it's really much better to have self-improvement while you're loving someone.